Might as well take a spin this morning.
Yes, sir. It's perfect.
All my stuff is set up.
Oh, that's $7. I should take mine right there, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Martin. Yes, ma'am.
I got something cool I want to show you. Music man's getting set up. The best of it. Seafood guy. There's the best of it right there. That's a Hampshire pig. A runt.
Have a good weekend.
He had like 6 or 7 babies. And that's the run of all of them. Never seen a Hampshire pig before, have you? You need one of them in your house. They'd be nice.
Oh, he likes pigs, don't you?
I like the ones that we ate in.
Hey, darling, how you doing today?
How are you?
Okay. All treats.
That's great. Yes, we do.
I got me some peaches already and some corn. So I'm good to go. You ready, ain't you? Great, Googa Mooga, what do we got here? Vegetables.
Makes you hungry.
Yeah, fresh or regular.
Soap. Bread. You watch in a few minutes, you'll be empty. People eat that bread. Things are starting to cook a little bit here now. I don't know what time it is. Let's see. 9:49. You know the guy brings me all the hunting knives, right? He just brought me all these. 2 brand new Gerber pocket knives. This is some type of, he calls it, looks like it's a lock. I'll take it out in a minute and show it to you. He's had it for a while. And he got this from Cold Steel. This is it's not what you think it is. Well, it is what you think it is, but it's not as fancy, or it's really fancy. I'll take it out of there, miss. It's brand new too. Cold Steel, made in Taiwan. Austria. Brand new Gerbers. Never been used. I don't know if they're made that way, but you notice on this one, the grind is higher than it is on this side. I guess that's from the factory. The little one's the same way. Both of them brand new, never been used. Not much grind there, but you turn it over that way, you got a lot of grind. Typical, I guess. I see something like that from time to time. Bear Grylls, they called. I don't know how many knives this guy's got, but a lot apparently. He's a hunter, you know. Stand by. This is a returning customer bringing me this knife and this knife. I've already sharpened these 2 for last year, but of course I'm going to sharpen all 4 of them. That's a LL Bean, Henkel, Califon. both of these Calphalons. Vegetable cleaver, I call that. Santuco. Stand by. We got a little action. 2 ceramics, a Gerber, some kind of pocket knife,
I don't think you ever need.
Kenshaw, and a Cummings. This is a cool little knife here. Buck made it, looks like. And then he's got 2 flints. This is a and this is a We'll see how that goes. He wants these done first, and then we'll do these if we have time. Homework next Saturday. You got a pair of these. You got a pair of these. And then we got 3 pair of big trimmers. 2 hitch trimmers and 2 loppers, I call them.
Monday's getting better and better.
Homework next Saturday.